UXIN stock analysis and UXIN stock prediction. In this short and brief 1 minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play and everything with Uxin Limited. First, needless to say, it's not that volatile, but I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm the only person that has actually done it, and it's taken me 5 years, you know, so at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Even first glance here, UXIN saw the first break. If only there's, I mean, I would prefer a second break there, but that doesn't mean that I cannot start. Yeah, it sure does. What the hell is this? Bro, when I see an environment like that, yeah, sure. That fundamentally, if there's a confirmation met here, then I'm definitely taking it up. But what I'm not going to do is randomly buy here. So there's going to be a big capped waiting for me. And if you do want to learn how I make it 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. See you in the next one. It's free. And if you also want to stay tuned with UXIN, click the first link in the description. It's free. The fastest way to stay tuned.